Well, hello everybody. This is your friendly tech support, Metcalf number 2, and I am doing a video for you to help those of you who were not able to see the Zoom recordings that were posted in the announcements. So from here on out, Professor Metcalf will be posting them like this one that she did for October 19th class. So it will say Zoom recording of class, and you'll be able to click here and it will take you straight to the video. To help her out, I've decided to make a video for you so that she doesn't have to go back and do that to all the announcements she's done. So let's go to a previous recording. Let's go to the 17th. So this is what she's been doing lately, is posting it like this, and some of you weren't able to see this video because it's not clickable. So what you're going to do is you're going to click here where the H is and drag your cursor all the way over here until you get to the end. Then you're going to press the button that says CTRL, and that stands for control. So again, the button that you're going to press is called CTRL, and that'll be control. Once you press that button plus the C button, you will be copying the link here. That's one way to do it. For those of you who that might be a little confusing for, once you highlight, so let me turn this off. Once you highlight this, if you right click it, you can press copy. See how it says control plus C right here? You're going to copy that link. You're going to go to the top of your Chrome and you're going to click the plus sign to open a new tab. And then you're going to right click and you're going to click paste and then enter. And that will take you to the video, the Zoom video. If you have any other questions about this, please let Professor Metcalf know. Thank you. Have a good one.